Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Imagine a fighter jet soaring through the skies in 2026, its sleek lines glinting under the morning sun. This is the J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's premier stealth fighter, now entering its most advanced evolutionary phase yet. A vision of aerial supremacy, the 2026 iteration of the J-20 melds innovation, raw power, and strategic connectivity in ways that redefine modern combat aviation. From its inception, the J-20 was designed as a stealthy air superiority fighter with precision strike capability, complete with delta wings, forward canards, twin engines, and internal weapons bays to reduce radar cross-section. Wikipedia 1. Introduced publicly in 2016 after a maiden flight back in 2011, it entered service in 2017 and quickly became a cornerstone of the People's Liberation Army Air Force's modernization push. Wikipedia 1. Military Watch Magazine 2. By 2025, China had significantly scaled up production, reportedly building dozens of J-20s per year, outpacing any other twin-engine fighter class since the Cold War. Military Watch Magazine 3. With over 200 aircraft already in service and expectations of expansion to nearly 1,000 by 2035, the J-20 fleet is becoming staggering in size. Eurasian Times 4. Technologically, the J-20 has evolved rapidly. Since its early use of interim WS-10 engines, prototypes equipped with the highly advanced WS-15 engine began flight trials, with mass production underway by 2023. Wikipedia 5. The WS-15 dramatically improves thrust, efficiency, maneuverability, and allows for sustained supersonic flight. Supercruise. Wikipedia 5. In June 2025, a major leap arrived: the integration of a domestically developed silicon carbide